Okay, this is going to be just a short demo of the level loading and in the menu. So for the level 1, level 2, I put them in the load section. So when you click onto load, you'll go into a new menu option and you will have 3 options. You can pick level 1, level 2 or back, and you can only pick level 1 and level 2 if you're on the other level. So if you're in level 2, you can only pick level 1, so you can't just keep resetting the level. I can take that out unless you want people to reset the level, but we'll see whatever it is. So I'll just show you it working and then go through the changes that need to be made. So we go down to load, we got level 1, level 2. So move around. So we're level 1 already. So we click it, nothing happens. Come to level 2. So it's level 2. So the companion that should be over there. So the creature's over here. We want to go to level 1. Level 1. Go back here. Oops. And where's the little fella? There he is. Okay. And if you go into load, if you press back, it'll bring you back to the play. So yeah, that's it. So what changes need to be made? Okay, so the changes that need to be made are in the player. So under menus we have now an empty game object called level buttons, and this, close this, it looks like this. So it's just level 1, level 2 and a back button. So I'll give you the level 1, level 2 text. Back button's the same as the one in the options. There's no difference, so it is. It's just that the only change you're going to have to make is then navigational. So for it to navigate for level 1, up is the back button, down is level 2. For level 2, up is level 1, down is back. And back, up is level 2, and down is level 1. So there's slight changes that need to be made to the script. So because we need to add these level 1 unclick commands and level 2 unclick commands. So if we look at our menu handler script, I've added 2 new game objects. So this is a load buttons and a level event. So this will be used for the first one to be selected. So yeah, and the changes that need to be made are we need a load. So in our load we want to play the open sound. We want to select the game object, which will be our level event, and then set the pause to be false, the menu, and we want to set the load buttons menus to be true. And for each of the load levels we want to check if the application level is equal to 1, so i.e. it's level 2, load level 1, and the same with this. If it's level 1, load level 2, and otherwise don't do anything. And the other changes are made in the back button. You're just gonna have to set the load buttons active to be false, and we want in the highlight in the highlight here we want to do an else if the current game selected is level event. We want to tell the button to be the level, get the component of the level event button, and then change its color. And that should be the only changes that need to be made here. So you can just copy this, I'll send this over, and then we're going to have to, you're going to have to make these buttons for both scenarios. So scenario 2 you're going to have to just copy this and paste it into scenario 2. So there goes scenario 2. And when you copy it, these on-click events will be reset to be 0, so you're going to have to redo them. Don't know why it does that, it just does. So what else needs to be changed? So in the menus, in the menu handler, we need to pass in our level buttons, which is our game object, and our level event, which is our level 1 button. And that should be it. And yep, that's it. So yeah.